Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel and welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm opening the 14th Matchbox Challenge box. One of my channel supporters, Simon John, very kindly sends me kits made by Matchbox, a company active in the UK in the 1970s and 80s and a source of much nostalgia to many older model makers such as myself. He sends them and I promise to make them, but I always open the box he sends on camera. If you enjoy this, do make sure you don't keep it to yourself. You let YouTube know by giving it the old imperial thumbs up on the like button. Make sure you've subscribed to the channel and hit the notification bell to hear about all my future videos. So let's see what Simon has sent me this time. So here we are, another wonderful Matchbox Challenge box. As you can see, it is completely unopened. All I've done is cut off the address label that was stuck here and the sent from label here, just to protect the innocent. And Simon's gratefully to Simon, he's put in those little cut marks. So let's have a look and see what this challenge is. To be quite gentle going through this bit because I don't know what's normally he's got something in bubble wrap underneath it, so I'm not going to be cutting into the box necessarily, which would be very unfortunate. Oh, it's got a bag this time. Simon's Matchbox Challenge. Ooh. Oh, I hope you're all ready, people, because I can't see what it is yet. Got hold of it though, and it is, oh my good God, I didn't even know they did one of these. Wow. Dear God, an aviary Churchill. Wow, look at that. And it comes with a little diorama base. Wow, look at, oh my goodness. Actually, you know, I've got some, well, what do they call that stuff? You know, the spandex cabling. I've got some of that. That will work on that. That will look so cool. Oh my goodness. You know, I knew they did armour. And the armour always came with a little something. But I didn't know they made one of these, a bridging unit, an aviary bridger with the mortar on the front. Absolutely beautiful. What a complete dream. This is amazing. I've got to have a look inside this. This is bonkers. This is properly bonkers. Churchill Aviary, there we go. Oh, 3 different schemes. Oh, very good. 5th, 6th and 42nd Assault Regiments. Wow, look at that. The bridging unit though, that is just so incredible. There's the how to put the tracks together, which is all very nice. Superb, absolutely superb. Wow. I even suggest some weight at one end of the tank because it's going to be quite heavy with the bits and pieces. How are these? Not brilliant. Yeah, you know what, I'll see if I can do anything with these, but if not, I'll see if I can get some more modern ones because they are lovely. It's absolutely pristine though, look at it. Interesting scale, 1/76. It's not too big, but it's enough room to give it a little bit of weathering. And as I mentioned, they always give you a little stand for it to sit on. So that's pretty groovy. Yeah, let's see what we can do with that. Make that nice and... So look at all these tiny little bits and pieces. The wheels. Running wheels there. And then this, of course, is the bulk of the actual bridge unit, made in England, it says here. Fantastic. Yeah, well, I've got some easy line I can use to do all of that. There's the slightly stiffened vinyl tracks as well, but absolutely beautiful. Simon, this is a real challenge, mate. This is a proper challenge to make this, to make it look anywhere here near half decent. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun with the decal sheet mainly. I might have to see if I can get some different ones and use them, but you know, we should be alright. We should be okay. That is astonishing. Wow, what a brilliant little kit to have to make, and make it I will. So I've got some scenic gunk, as I like to call it, for the base. Lots of bits and pieces of stuff like that for the base, and some wire for the actual cabling. Brilliant, Simon. Absolutely amazing, mate. I'm going to have a lot of fun building that. There it is. It looks like fun, although getting all the wires done could be a bit of a challenge. Anyway, as always, thank you very much, Simon. I'm looking forward to making it. If you've enjoyed the film, do please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and click on the notifications button as well. Thank you so very much for watching today, and goodbye.